Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. I have this Dracaena Reflexa or Song of India tree that I've had for about 2 years. It's a cool plant that can give a lot of structure, and it's one of those like sculptural plants, but mine doesn't necessarily look like that. Mine looks more like this, big, bushy, healthy, I eventually put it outside because it wasn't giving me that feeling, but I'm doing a bit of decorating and I think that this could be a perfect corner plant, or just a little bit of that artistic expression, sculptural element that will just make my space feel a little bit better. So in the hopes to redesign and create something that's a little bit more sculptural, today we're gonna go through step by step of how I'm gonna prune down this plant to achieve that look. So if you're looking for ideas and inspiration and maybe pruning some of your plants, then this video is for you. Or if you just want to hang out with me with this cute plant and do some chopping, then that's fine too. But yeah, let's go get it. Okay, so right over here, there it is. That's the one we'll be using. It's in the blue pot. Its body is in here, like I say, very bushy, very full. But I think this one right over here has a lot of potential, but like I say, a lot of pruning that we're gonna do. So let's get it. This thing was super dusty, and it's about time we just keep a bit of a wipe down on the pot before I start working on it. Okay. Okay, so the pot is a bit on the smaller side, but with frequent watering I think we'll be able to handle it, especially it's going indoors, so it's not going to be rapidly growing anytime soon. There's definitely a lot that we can do, but for now I'm just going to go ahead and clean off some of the main branches, and that'll hopefully give us an indication of where to maybe take this. So I've begun just cutting back some of the areas that I think are excessive. We're starting to get a little bit of emptiness, which is good, but still very bushy at the top. I want more or less this sort of structure where there's some bushiness at the top and just a clean stem most of the way to the bottom. So yeah, next is to tackle this sort of area. We're getting somewhere, slowly at least. Okay, this is the new look, a lot thinner, which is good. I'm just gonna go back now and fix these areas and those kind of areas to just neaten it up a little bit and remove some of the older leaves, get a nice tight look at the ends. And that is it. Whether you think that worked or not is definitely up for debate. I think we're in an in-between stage. It might need a little bit of height, but that just comes with time, and it was worth the experiment, and I did have a lot of fun. In terms of the plant's growth, I think for now it will take a little bit of time to sort of recover, but I think this plant being inside would be much better for its health. I think a lot of the leaves looked a little bit sun damaged because it's getting a little bit too much light out there. I'm going to keep up on the watering. I'm going to pay close attention to it for the next while until it starts to sort of show new growth and that kind of thing, and we'll take it from there. But if you enjoyed this video, please drop a comment down below and a like, and I will see you in the next one.